Good evening. In this video, we will complete NISTA module 18, activity first, activity third, and main quiz answer of this module. NISTA module 18, activity 1, choose true or false. First question, children have the right to find out things and share what they think with others by talking, drawing, and writing or in any other way. Correct answer of this question is true. Next, having access to the best possible health care, safe water to drink, food, a clean and safe environment, and information to help them stay safe is a right of every child. Correct answer of this question is true. Next, all rights are not related to a need or a want. Correct answer of this question is false. Right to development includes the right to leisure, recreation and culture, and when we provide a child with a bicycle, we are fulfilling that right. Correct answer of this question is true. Next, the opinion of children is not based on maturity or experience and therefore cannot be considered in matters that concern them. Correct answer of this question is false. We have completed 5 questions. Now submit. Our score is 5. NISTA module 18, activity 3rd. First question, whenever a child talks to you about sexual abuse, it's important that you talk to the alleged abuser for verification of information. Correct answer of this question is false. Next, children, especially girls who are outgoing, talkative, physically expressive, often attract sexual abuse. Correct answer of this question is false. If during a sexual act the child is not screaming or resisting or pushing back or has given consent, it can be understood that the child is interested in that act. Correct answer of this question is false. If the child is not willing to report abuse, we cannot help. Correct answer false. Sexual abuse can happen to any child across age, gender, caste, economic, and social status. Correct answer is true. An adult giving a child things, gifts, attention, and affection, money, sweets, toys, outings can be the beginning of a process of sexual abuse. Correct answer of this question is true. Next, children often make up stories about sexual abuse. Correct answer of this question is false. There is no fixed indicator of behavior for identifying a potential sexual abuser. Correct answer of this question is true. Most sexual abuse is committed by a someone who is a stranger to the child. Correct answer of this question is false. Sexual abuse usually takes place in dark, abandoned places. Correct answer of this question is false. We have completed 10 questions. Now submit, and our score is 10 or 10. Now we will complete NISTA module 18 main quiz. First question, child sexual abuse should be reported in. Correct answer option B, all circumstances when we know about it. How a teacher can support to a child who is sharing about sexual abuse. Correct answer of this question is listen and talk to the child with empathy. Next, showing nude images to a child comes under. Correct answer is sexual abuse. Next, right to survival includes. Correct answer food, shelter, and clothing. Child sexual abuse may happen because. Correct answer of this question is the reasons cannot be predicated. Next, child sexual abuse happens to. Correct answer both boys and girls. Next, who is a child? Any person below the age of 18 years. Next, when the act becomes an aggravated offense. Correct answer of this question is committed by a person in position of trust or authority. Next, which is the special law or act to punish child sexual abuse offender? Correct answer option D, POCSO Act 2012. If you come to know about any sexual offense with the child, then whom will you report? Correct answer police. We have completed 10 questions. Now submit, and our score is 10 or 10. Thank you.